Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have been doing a lot of style videos, a lot of tutorials, a lot of experiences with style, but today I thought I'll do something a little different. Today I'm going to take you through my skincare routine, which is a little different from the regular routines that you'll see. Mine is purely based on dermatology tested products. So you're going to enjoy this video because it's going to make a difference for you. If you want to know about all the products that I've been using in the last 2 to 3 years, stay tuned and watch the whole video till the end. First up, let's talk about my morning routine. Morning routine can be a little bit of a hustle bustle if you're going out to work, and if you are in a hurry, I recommend you wake up at least 30 minutes before your usual time to give yourself the right amount of pampering. Firstly, what I do in the morning is wash my face with lukewarm water. This kind of wakes my skin up. It also makes me feel a lot more refreshed and does not feel too harsh on my skin. Once I'm done splashing some lukewarm water on my face, I then go ahead and use the SLC XF face wash. This face wash contains glycolic acid, aloe vera and allantoin. They help with cleansing your face along with reducing pigmentation. So this works really well for my skin, and it's recommended that I use it first thing in the morning. So I would suggest you do the same if you have pigmentation issues, if you have oily skin like me. Moving on to the next product that I use after I'm done with my face wash is a moisturizer. I use Acrofi, which is a very good moisturizer that does not feel very sticky onto my skin. Acrofi is a non-comedogenic moisturizer. This one works really well in terms of acne control, making me feel a lot more refreshed, at the same time keeping it all uptight and not too runny. Make sure when it comes to skincare as well, and when you're layering products, that you keep a lot of time in between these products, like 5 to 10 minutes minimum, so that the cream or the serum seeps into your skin and actually has a good effect on it. When talking about stepping out, you have to have a sunscreen with you. And the best sunscreen that I have been using for a while now is the FaceGuard SPF 50+. FaceGuard Silicone Sunscreen Gel SPF has a very good texture to it. It does not feel very creamy onto your skin, so it sets in really well. It is very mattifying, so again you do not feel like you're going out with too much on your face. So these were few of the skincare products that I use in the day when I'm stepping out. Now moving on to the next bit, which is taking care of your skin through the day. I would recommend having a set of cleansers or a wipe with you when you're stepping out of your house. Maybe Himalaya wet wipes or any other wet wipes that you can just wipe your face off. But make sure that you apply your SPF cream soon after. Now when I'm back home, I definitely use a cleansing agent. I have to use a face wash once I'm back home. I use the Neo Glow face wash. It's a gentle foaming face wash, so you don't feel like it's rubbing off all the oil from your skin. If you have oily skin like me, then definitely go for this. I use it around twice a day and it really works well for my skin, so I don't have any complaints here. So after washing my face with Neo Glow, I would definitely go back to Acrofi and use that on my face as a moisturizer once more in the day. So at least twice a day I use this moisturizer during the day, and make sure that while I'm winding up at night, I make use of it once more before I go back to sleep. Now moving on, I'm going to talk about my night routine. Night routine is quite simple as well. It's not too many products again. I start off definitely by washing my face with Neo Glow. That's the go-to face wash that I have here. And once I'm done with that, I make sure if I have any kind of face pack or maybe just doing some treatment for my skin, which my doctor has recommended, whether it's acne treatment, whether it's for pigmentation, there are a few products. I'm going to just talk about that briefly. In terms of dealing with acne on a regular basis, I have 2 creams that I use. Please bear in mind that you need to meet a dermatologist before you use these. I'm just mentioning them because they suit my skin and they have been working for me in a very big way. So this one is Epiduo 0.1% 2.5 gel. So this one really works well on acne to kind of reduce the acne on my skin. Now in terms of getting rid of the marks, I have Cogitin. Cogitin works really well to kind of reduce the pigmentation on your skin. It takes some time though, So you will have to keep it, apply a little dot on the spots and make sure that they cover all the marks. I don't try and mix anything else on my skin. That's how I wrap it up. I don't wear too much of product on my face. Another product that you could have is vitamin E tablets. These are Evian tablets which I use into my mask also, because I have oily combination skin, so I don't use it very often because capsules contain a very oily substance. So you might as well, go in for using it once or twice a month, wherein you're kind of treating the spots on your face. Along with aloe vera gel, this works really well for your skin. The second kind of mask that I also use is Multani Mitti with curd. This kind of tightens the pores, it kind of closes in the pores as much as possible, and it's more like a facial for you. So in terms of looking after my skin, in terms of prepping my skin in the morning or at night before going to sleep, I have this one or two things that I do on a regular basis. One was obviously wearing masks. Two is also like giving my skin a little bit of a lift, and that is done with the help of a jade roller. I have a jade roller which I've been using for about 3 weeks now, 3 to 4 weeks, and I'm quite pleased with the product. It's not something that I'm expecting huge results with, but it works very well in terms of a massaging tool. I do not go for facials to the parlor, so I thought why not use this product and make use of it while I'm at home. So what I do is I keep the jade roller in the fridge for a while, let it be there set till the evening, and then once I am ready to prep my skin, I wash my face with my face wash, Neo Glow. After that, I apply a few dots of bio oil on my face and then lift my skin up using the jade roller in the upward direction, making sure that there is no acne on my skin at that time. The jade roller works more like a massager than actually creating a huge difference onto my skin. But it's a very good feel-good kind of an experience that I have through the jade roller in terms of a massage experience. Fine lines and all of that is something that you would see a difference over time maybe, or you're able to control it over time. I don't see that happening at the moment. So that's it guys, we've come to the end of this video. I am so excited that I got this opportunity to share this entire process with you. But at the same time, it's skincare which we are talking about, so I would definitely recommend all of you to drink a lot of water, hydrate yourself throughout the season, and look after your skin while you can. So until we meet the next time, take care. Do like and share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel for more content in the future. Bye.